Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your science sample paper with solutions.
Hello students, welcome. I hope you are doing well and congratulations once again for clearing round 1. In this video we are going to solve sample paper 1 of class 4th NOF Science Champions League. So let's begin with the question number 1 right away. So this is our question number 1. There are special kind of plants in coastal areas. They grow some roots out of the soil too. What type of roots are these? A. Fibrous root, B. Tap root, C. Breathing root, or D. Root tendrils. The correct answer is option C. Breathing root. Breathing roots grow above the soil to take air in swampy coastal regions. So the correct answer is option C. Our next question is question number 2. A flowering plant with tiny leaves, yellow flowers, and a deep taproot, it is well adapted to survive in A. Desert habitat, B. Mountain habitat, C. Aquatic habitat, or D. Dense forest. The correct answer will be dense forest. Deep taproots and tiny leaves help plants survive in dense forest floors with less sunlight. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 3. Identify the plant that is used for medicine as well as spice. A. Mint, B. Palm, C. Turmeric, and D. Banyan. The correct answer is turmeric. Turmeric's root is used both as spice and for medicine purposes. Question number 4. Choose the odd one out. A. Mint, B. Coriander, C. Jasmine, and D. Basil. The correct answer is D. Basil. Basil is mainly medicinal, while the others are mostly used as herbs in cooking. Our next question is question number 5. Leaves of plants has tiny holes on it. These help it to A. Absorb water, B. Release water, C. Transfer water, and D. None of these. The correct answer is option B. Tiny holes called stomata help plants release water during transpiration. So the correct answer is release water. Next question is question number 6. Which activity is the bird most suited for? A. Peeling fruits, B. Catching fish, C. Digging holes, and D. Running. The correct answer is option B. Catching fish. Birds with sharp pointed beaks are suited for catching fish from water. Question number 7. Lion, elephant, and deer give birth to their young ones. They all belongs to A. Aerial animals, B. Amphibians, C. Mammals, or D. Reptiles. The correct answer is option C. Mammals. All 3 animals give birth to young ones and produce milk. These are the features of mammals. Next one is question number 8. Which of the following animals is most likely to have sharp front teeth for gnawing? A. Cow, B. Squirrel, C. Lion, or D. Elephant. The correct answer is option B. Squirrels have sharp incisors used to gnaw nuts and seeds. So the correct answer is squirrel. Question number 9. Polar bear flourish in very cold environment. They have A. Horns and long legs, B. Fatty layer and fur, C. White color and huge body, D. Large eyes and sharp teeth. The correct answer is option B. Fatty layer and fur. Thick fur and layer of fat keep them insulated in freezing climates. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 10. A desert animal is observed to be burrowing in the sand. Which of the following is not a reason for this behavior? A. Escaping predators, B. Searching for water, C. Regulating body temperature, or D. Hunting fish. The correct answer is option D. There is no fish in sand, so burrowing cannot be for hunting fish. Next question is question 11. Annie fell and lost her front teeth. Which food would be difficult to eat? A. Soap, B. Bread, C. Apple, and D. Rice. The correct answer is option C. Apple. Front teeth help in biting hard foods like apple. Next question. Question number 12. Obesity can be caused due to A. Eating more protein-rich food, B. Eating more fat-rich food, C. Eating more fruits and vegetables, D. Eating more eggs and green leafy vegetables. The correct answer is option B. Eating more fat-rich food. Eating too much fat-rich food leads to excess weight gain. Our next question is question number 13. What role does a cow play in a food chain? A. Carnivore, B. Producer, C. Herbivore, or D. Decomposer. The correct answer is option C. Herbivore. Cows eat plants, so they are herbivorous. Our next question is question number 14. Food gets digested in our body when A. It is swallowed, B. It is chewed, C. Liver adds juice to it, D. Enters into intestine. The correct answer is option C. Liver and other organs add digestive juices that help in breaking down the food. So food gets digested in our body when liver adds juices to it. Next question is question number 15. Milk is heated and cooled before being packed and sold in stores. What is this process called? A. Pasteurization, B. Filtration, C. Boiling, and D. Fermentation. The correct answer is option A. Pasteurization kills germs by heating and cooling milk safely. Our next question is question number 16. Raksha saw a pile of garbage in her neighborhood. How would this affect people in the neighborhood? A. It will attract birds. B. It will attract tourists. C. It will attract insects and flies. And D. It will produce oxygen. The correct answer is option C. It will attract insects and flies. Our next question is question number 17. Select the mismatched pair. A. Rainwater harvesting to save water. B. Balanced diet, junk food. C. Open windows to fresh air. And D. Exercise for healthy body. The correct option is option B, because balanced diet leads to a healthy body, not junk food, and it is more healthy food, healthy rich food. It does not contain junk food, so this is mismatched. Question number 18. A house with large windows has A. More air and light, B. More space, C. Less noise, and D. Darkness. The correct answer is option A. Large windows allow more sunlight and fresh air. So correct answer is option A. Question number 19. Sarah is planning to track what type of clothes she needs to pack. A. Party dresses, B. Uniforms, C. Swimming costume, or D. Tracksuit. The correct answer is option D. Tracksuits are comfortable and suitable for trekking. The next question is question number 20. We need clothes to A. Look smart, B. Protect us from weather, C. Protect us from insects, or D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. Clothes protect us from heat, protect us from cold, and also protect us from insects. Our next question is question 21. When you pour water from a jug into a bowl and it takes the shape of the bowl, which of these statements explains it? A. Water is colorless, B. Water is tasteless, C. Water has no fixed shape, and D. Water is transparent. The correct answer is option C. Liquids flow and take the shape of the container. So correct answer is option C. Question number 22. What will happen if you try to mix a spoonful of sand and water? A. Sand will dissolve, B. A solution will be prepared, C. Sand will not dissolve in water, and D. Sand will float on the surface. The correct answer is option C. Sand will not dissolve in water. Sand particles do not dissolve and settle at the bottom. Question number 23. Which of the following is the state of matter? A. Solid, B. Liquid, C. Gas. The correct D. All of these. The correct answer is option D. Solid, liquid, gas. All three are state of matter. Question number 24. Which features defines that water is a matter? A. It can take shape of any container. B. It can change into ice and steam. C. It has no color and taste. D. It has weight and occupies space. The correct answer is option D. Anything that occupies space and has mass is matter. So clearly water is a matter. Question number 25th. Daksh placed a wooden block, a plastic boat, and a pebble in a tub filled with water. Which of these will float on the surface of water? A. Wooden block and pebble. B. Wooden block and plastic boat. C. Plastic boat and pebble. D. None of these. The correct answer is option B. Wood and plastic boat are lighter than water, so they float on water, and pebble is heavier than water, so it will sink in the water. Question number 26th. Deep enjoys cycling. He noticed that the cycle stops itself after some time if he does not pedal it. Which force is in action during the process? A. Muscular. B. Friction. C. Magnetic. Or D. Gravity. The correct answer is option B. Friction between tires and roads slows down the cycle. Our next question is question number 27. Why do not dry leaves, rainwater and ripened fruits go into the space? They always fall on the ground. A. Gravity makes them fall. B. Electricity attracts them on the ground. C. Wind pushes them down. And D. Tidal energy makes them fall. The correct answer is option A. Earth's gravity pulls everything downward, so gravity makes them fall. Our next question is question number 28. Select the renewable energy source. A. Coal. B. Petroleum. C. Wind. Or D. CNG. The correct answer is option C. Wind is renewable and it never runs out. Our next question is question number 29. How do you make a paper plane out? A. By thinking about it. B. By applying force to fold it. C. By drawing it on paper. And D. By asking a friend. The correct answer is option B. By applying force to fold it. Folding paper requires force to create a plane shape. The next question is question number 30. Match the type of energy with its example. So let's have a look at the table. Column A says kinetic, heat and light, and column B says glowworm, sun and running car. So let's see the options A, B and C, D. So kinetic energy is to running car, heat is to sun and light is to glowworm. So our correct answer will be option D. 1 to C, second to B and third to A. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 31. Select the correct match of the living things and their role in the environment. A. Plants that release oxygen. B. Earthworm that eats plastic. C. Honeybee are predators. And D. Mushroom are used for photosynthesis. So the correct answer is option A, that plants release oxygen. They release oxygen through photosynthesis. Question number 32. What is the role of bees and butterflies in an environment? A. They damage the flowers. B. They spread pollens. C. They spread colors. And D. They spread diseases. The correct answer is option B. Bees and butterflies carry pollens from one flower to another, helping plants reproduce. The next question is question number 33. Identify the source of tidal energy. A. Wind. B. Sun. C. Water. And D. Coal. The correct answer is option C. That is water. Tidal means hydroelectrical. Energy is generated by moving water, usually from dams or rivers. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 34. If you see someone cutting down trees in your neighborhood, what should you do? A. Ignore. B. Collect wood from them. C. Grow a new plant there. D. Report to local authorities. The correct answer is option D. Report to local authorities. Authorities can stop illegal cutting and take action to protect trees. The next question is question number 35. Identify the items that belong to non-biodegradable waste. A. Glass bottle, plastic bag, aluminium foil. B. Apple core, cardboard and wood. C. Paper, leaves and cotton cloth. D. Grass clipping, fruit peel and eggshells. The correct answer is option A. Glass bottle, plastic bag and aluminium foil are non-biodegradable wastes. Let's moving on to the next question. Question 36. You see a constellation shaped like a hunter in the night sky. It is A. The Big Dipper, B. The Orion, C. The Sirius, D. The Ursa Major. So the correct answer is option B. The Orion. Orion is the well-known hunter constellation visible in many parts of the world. So if you see a constellation shaped like hunter, it is the Orion. Question number 37. This planet appears pale blue due to methane gas on it. A. Neptune, B. Earth, C. Uranus, and D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Neptune looks pale blue because of methane in its atmosphere that absorbs red light. The next question is question number 38. Identify the gas that makes up most of the sun. A. Nitrogen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Ozone, and D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is option D. The sun is primarily composed of hydrogen which fuses to produce its energy. Question number 39. Identify the mismatch. A. Jupiter, the smallest planet, B. Earth, third planet from the Sun, C. Mars, known as the red planet, and D. Saturn, has rings. So the correct answer is option A, which is mismatch. Jupiter is not the smallest planet, it is the largest planet. Question number 40. If the Sun suddenly disappeared, which of these would happen first? A. Earth will not rotate. B. There will be night only. C. The moon will not reflect light. D. It will take 8 minutes to notice the change. The correct answer is option D. It will take 8 minutes to notice the change. Light and the gravitational information from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the earth. So effects should be noticed after 8 minutes. So students, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one where I'm going to discuss sample paper 2 with you. So till then, keep practicing and all the best.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.